It's Mom from Ormsby Farm. It's Susan, and I am going on a trip to Boston and Salem, and I'm going to take you with me. Here we go.
I'm coming home.
Hello, this is Mama Susan, and we are at the airport waiting to get on the plane in about 35 minutes to fly to Boston. So we will keep you informed on the way. Bye. We are in the mezzanine of the Omni Parker House Hotel. It was built in 1855. It is beautiful. We're heading out for a little lunch. But I wanted to give you the story of this mirror. Charles Dickens, who wrote Christmas Carol, used to stay here and he would give speeches. And this mirror was in his room and he practiced in front of the mirror. And after he died, it was moved down here. And legend has it, if you say his name 3 times, something strange will happen, such as in the past, the elevator gets stuck, elevator doesn't come when you press the button. So we're going to try that and see. Charles Dickens, Charles Dickens, Charles Dickens. And we'll see if we get stuck in the elevator tonight. Hi, we are in the Union Oyster House restaurant. It was established in 1826. I have to whisper because people are sitting at the tables. But I just want to see. It is so wonderful. I don't know if you can see. Oh, there's Amy. And on the wall behind me, this is called the Freedom Trail room. On the wall behind me are all the places that are on the Freedom Trail, which we are going to walk tomorrow. Also, upstairs there's a John F. Kennedy booth. He used to sit there. He used to come in and sit there and eat. This place is really, really neat. So I'm just going to turn it. I'm going to turn it around if I can. Yeah, and show everything. So hold on. How do I put it back to where it's not selfie anymore? Good morning. This is our first full day in Boston. We've just gotten up and had our coffee, and we're getting ready to head out to breakfast and then walking the Freedom Trail today. So we will send pictures and videos from the Freedom Trail. Bye. And the only talking I'll do is to say we are at Cafe 26, which was listed on my notes as a great place to eat breakfast, and it looks great. Oh, I wasn't on. Great. All right, I just filmed the video and I wasn't on, so let me try it again. We are in the King's Chapel. I think it's like the 3rd stop on the Freedom Trail. And this place is so neat. It's on the original site from back in the 1700s. And it has like little family areas. Let me show you little squares that are family areas that go all the way through the church. Just really, really beautiful. We are at Now in Hand Tavern in Boston. Established in 1795. It is the oldest running tavern in Massachusetts, I believe. And we're having some wonderful mussels, great IPAs. My friend has really good money here. It's really neat. Looking out at the city is really handy. We're at number 15 of 16 stops on the Freedom Trail. commissioned in 1797.
It's the oldest commissioned warship that is around, and it earned the name Old Ironsides.
We're going to go inside too, so we'll get a few little pictures inside and show you. Just got back from our great tour of the Freedom Trail. We did 15 of the 16 sites because it started raining and our legs were hurting. Walked about 2.5 miles, so we did good. So we're ending our day before dinner having a cannoli from Mike's Pastry and some nice white Apothic wine from 7-Eleven. So we're ending the day with that. If you're ever in Boston, you must go to Mike's Pastry in Little Italy. If you look it up online, it's got like 5 stars. Everybody raves about it, and it is delicious. Enjoy till tomorrow.
Susan didn't make it to the end of the Braves game, but it was a good night.
I'm coming home.